What's up, guys? This is Alfie. Welcome back to my channel. So it's another Playboy doll unboxing. I know it's so weird, guys. So I don't know why I purchased this one. Maybe it's because it's on sale. That's why I purchased this. So I think I purchased this again at the Tower Records. So I don't know if you guys remember Tower Records, guys. So this time this was Darlene Kurtis. So this is like her um she became Playmate of the Year back in 2002. So as you can see that this one is very old, 20 years. OMG, guys, it's been in my possession for almost maybe 20 years. Is it 20 years? Correct my math, guys. 20 or 22 years or whatever. And it says here limited edition doll, guys. Playmate of the Year 2002. So this is her picture. So that's her. And yeah, so she was Miss September of 2001. And there's like a lot of um, thing in there. It says here since 1953, when Hugh Hefner first introduced Playboy magazine to America, blah blah blah. So yeah, it must be like a good opportunity if you get picked as a playmate of the year or Playboy of the year or whatever you call it. So this one is a limited edition. It says here fashion doll or something. So this is not for kids, guys. This one is for adult collection. So this is my second one. So I don't know if you guys watch the my other one, the other Playboy unboxing. I forgot her name. So yeah. So anyways, let's unbox it, guys. So I never unboxed this one ever. Never take it out from the box. I don't know. I just like to collect stuff. I know it's weird, guys. So I collect shoes, bags, and toys. Yeah, I think I'm going too far. So anyways, let's open it, guys. Okay, so this one have a nice display window box right here. So when you open it, you see that there's like plastic in the front, where you can see the toy or the doll or the model. So it has this the Velcro opening here, and the description. This one is her Playmate data sheet. So it says there, Darlene Kurtis, bust size is 34D, waist is 24, hips is 35, she's 5'5", 112 in weight. So I don't know how she looked like now, guys. She was born November 12 of 1977 in Apple Valley, California. So yeah, so these are her data sheet. So yeah, I think um, all Playmate of the Year, if they make you like as a doll, I think they all have this thing in here, like a bio of you or something. So this was her. Says she hate the 80s with her cat and then with her friend in here. So yeah, I don't know how she look like now, guys. So that is her. So and the only thing about this doll is it doesn't move. It's not articulated or something. So it's just like frozen like that. You know. So let me open it, guys. Certificate of authenticity, guys. So yeah, so it says here this particular doll is um the number is 0546 469. So 5,469, and it's only limited to 15,000 units worldwide. So I have one of the, 15,000. So mine is 5,469. So yep, so this one back in 2002, but yeah, so that is the certificate of authenticity. And then, so this is her. So I never opened this, guys. I only gonna open it to you like right now. So after like 20 years, guys. OMG. So this is the base. So you can, if you wanna um, make her like stand or have her on your desk for display. So let me just get a Caesar, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys, I'm trying to finish. Alright, guys, so I just finished um, assembling this doll. So this is how she looked like out of the box. And this one I forgot. I don't want to remove the thing in here, guys. So yeah, so the only thing about this kind of, this kind of doll, if it's collectible, some of them they don't move. Just like this one, she doesn't move, so it's just like frozen like that. So yep, but yeah, I think maybe she kind of like, yeah, it kind of looked like her in the picture, guys. So this is the picture, and that is her. And yeah, she kind of like pretty. So let me put that box in there, and let me measure her. So this one is about 12, maybe like 14 inches, guys, from top to bottom. And yeah, so her name is Dalene Kurtis. So it comes with the base. So if you wanna have her display or whatever, so that's her. So by the way, she's holding a flag, and the flag is here because it's kind of old. I think it's just a sticker or something. Maybe I have to remove this one. No, it doesn't. It doesn't stick anymore, guys. So the flag should have been here, like that. So I don't know if you guys can see it. So let me see. So, yeah. So like right there, she's holding a flag, but it will fall pretty soon. So like right now. So it fell. So anyways, yeah, yeah. It's kind of old. That's why that thing it doesn't stick anymore, guys. Yep, so it comes with this certificate of authenticity. And yeah, she's about 14 inches tall. And that's without the base from her head to, well, she's wearing a heels, that's why. So, anyway, so that will be our unboxing for today, this weekend. So, hopefully, you guys like it. And yeah, so thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing, guys. So hopefully you like this video and have a good day.